Student, in this video we study today we start the first lesson, that is similarity. And in similarity the first topic is the ratio of areas of two triangles. Now we know that the formula of the area of a triangle is half into base into height. Then what is the ratio of the areas of two triangles? Now I draw here two triangles LMN and XYZ. Then the area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle XYZ. I take the ratio of these two areas. Then what is the formula? Half into what is base mn into height lt divided by 1/2 into base is yz into height is xp. Half of gets cancelled and therefore what is remaining? mn into lt upon yz into xp, and therefore we can write the ratio of the areas of two triangles LMN area of triangle XYZ is equal to, now mn is the base of the first triangle, that is suppose b1 into lt is the height of first triangle, we taken as h1, that is b1 into h1 divided by the base of the second triangle b2 into h2. Means here the ratio of the two triangles is equal to the ratio of the what? Product of the base and its height, that is base into height of first triangle divided by base into height of second triangle. Understand? It is very easy. Or we can also write area 1 upon area 2 is equal to b1 into h1 upon b2 into h2. This is the first formula. Now what happens when the base or heights are equal? Now I take second condition. When heights of triangles are equal. अगर हाइट्स अगर इक्वल होती है तो फिर कैसे होगा? जैसे हम दो ट्रायंगल्स लेंगे, सपोज वी टेक हियर टू ट्रायंगल्स, सपोज ए बी सी डी. देयर आर टू ट्रायंगल्स ए बी सी एंड सेकंड इज ए सी डी. इन बोथ द ट्रायंगल हाइट इज सेम. दोनों की हाइट कैसी है? सेम है. हाइट इज सेम फॉर बोथ द ट्रायंगल. And therefore we can write here area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ACD is equal to, is the base into height. What is the base? Base is BC into height is AE, and here in ACD the base is CD into height is also AE. Therefore AE cancel. What is remaining? Only BC upon CD. BC upon CD, that is the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ACD is equal to, what is BC? BC is the base of the first triangle, suppose B1, and CD is what? Base of the second triangle, B2. Means if I select if h1 equal to h2, if heights are equal, height यदि equal है, then the ratio of the two triangle is equal to the ratio of their corresponding base. height अगर equal है तो base के proportion में रहेंगे, understand? और अगर similarly है ना, third condition, when base are equal, base of triangle are equal, अगर base equal है, that is b1 equal to b2, अगर base equal है, सब मैं इसके डायग्राम बनाता हूँ, base equal है, base वाले equal वाले हम डायग्राम बनाएंगे जिसमें दोनों का बेस सेम रहे। यहाँ पे दो ट्रायंगल बनाए हमने, in both the triangle the height are different. Suppose this height is h1 and this height is suppose h2. Triangle is a b c and suppose this is d. Now in both the triangles height are different but base are same or base equal. In that condition what happens? The area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DBC is equal to base into height. Base is BC into height is H1, and here base is BC, height is H2. That is BC cancel, then it is H1 upon H2. Means we say that if the base are equal, the ratio of the two triangles are equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. ठीक है, अगर बेस अगर इक्वल है, दो ट्रायंगल्स के बेस इक्वल है या फिर कॉमन है, तो उनके एरिया की जो रेशो है उनके हाइट के प्रोपोर्शन में रहेगा। अगर हाइट इक्वल है तो उन दोनों ट्रायंगल्स के एरिया का रेशो उनके बेस के प्रोपोर्शन में रहेंगे, और यदि हाइट और बेस डिफरेंट है तो उनके एरिया बेस और हाइट के प्रोडक्ट के प्रोपोर्शन में रहेंगे। ठीक है, तो इसके ऊपर आगे की एक्सरसाइज है 1.1, इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इजी, वो हम देखेंगे।